This is Johnson 150 that came in that actually been in another shop, and I guess you'd say they missed a few things. It's to say the least. But this is the stator we pulled out of it. When we checked for spark, it didn't have any stator output, and as you could see, we've got a mass amount of stator goo. You just can't let the goo out of the stator, and I'm not sure if we've got a wire in there that's shorted out or not, but we checked the stator output and there wasn't any output on the stator. And if you look at how much stator goo has come out of the stator, I mean, it's just full. It explains why you had an empty stator and it just wasn't putting out any output. Flywheel's another concern on this optical system, and there's some metal fragments that are actually on the magnet. I would prefer not to have seen that, but I don't think this is going to create any problems with the flywheel. I think the flywheel, once the stator has the goo put back in it, will work just fine. So we're going to get another stator put in and see if we get the output back where it's supposed to be, so it'll be firing.